If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to check out some long to short hair transformations as well as color changes. I know how much you guys will love these videos, so let's get right into this one. The first transformation features a long to short hair transformation. Loving this pixie that she ends up getting. This look is obviously red hot. The hair color is definitely like a deep ginger copper tone, very chic, very on-trend, perfect for the new season ahead. So the next transformation looks like a color change. So she's getting raspberry truffled colored hair. This is absolutely gorgeous. Then moving right along, she starts off with long kind of brown hair. So what do you guys think? Is this going to be a haircut or a color change? So it looks like she's going to get a haircut because the stylist did kind of check in with her and see what she wanted to do. So she cuts the hair to the lob length, or he cuts the hair rather. So this is like a shoulder length lob. As of right now, she has a middle part and she also gets some color. So if you guessed color or cut, you were right with both. So I think she's probably just gonna do like a veilage thing or maybe get some highlights. She doesn't seem like the type of girl that would want to go with like a very bold hair color, but we'll see what ends up happening. So the stylist is using the foil technique to color the hair. So it looks like he is leveling the hair up, lightening it. So she might be going with blonde with this one. So there's the actual color. It looks like it's a bit of a brunette hue. So I think she might be getting just ombre highlights or beige with this one. So he is of course using that purple shampoo, and that really just helps to maintain blonde color variations. So she's definitely going blonde. So satisfying. So here is the final result. She ends up getting a bob haircut with blonde highlights and color. Stunning color combination, beautiful results, middle part. Definitely a dramatic transformation. Ooh, I love how it looks on the angle. So gorgeous. So he added in a few more curls. And of course he's going to brush those out into beautiful cascading waves. I really liked how this looked with the angled part. I thought that looked really pretty. So it looks like he's kind of teasing the hair now and just giving it more volume. So moving into the next transformation looks like a color change. So she is going very vibrant. It looks like she has an undercut and she's getting pink, purple, orange, blue. Oh wow, that is so gorgeous. So next up we see this platinum blonde. So I have no idea what she's gonna do with her hair. Maybe this is already the final results because this looks gorgeous already. I am really loving that platinum color. So beautiful. If you haven't already checked out my platinum blonde video, do yourself a favor, check it out, and you will see how much and why I love this trend. Gorgeous cascading waves. And then here's the hair just simply worn straight. And then here it is with the waves again. Ooh, how sick does that look with the red nails? So pretty. So moving into our next transformation. So she starts off with kind of shoulder length blonde hair. So what do you guys think? Color or cut? Or both? I think she's gonna go with color. Yep. So it looks like she might be going with a very kind of like silvery tone with this one. So the stylist is moving the color in. He's using foil. So she might be getting like a platinum color, silver, or lilac color. Or she might just be going like very, very blonde. So here's the before. Is this the after? We didn't get to see her doing the transformation like in the sink, washing out the color, putting the color on some more. Nothing. Because I thought for sure she was gonna go like bold, bold blonde or lilac. So there's